Is your little one having an issue going number 2 because he or she is shy to use the toilet at school or in public restroom? When they don't go immediately after feeling the urge to poop, they will often lose the urge and forget about it. And as the day goes on, it is even more difficult for them to remember that they haven't pooped. It can continue for 2 to 3 days, then they come to you and complain of tummy pain because of constipation. They may also complain of their bottom hurting as they are pushing really hard to get the hard, dry stool out. Here's a few tips to help get your child's bowel movements back on schedule. Colon massage and acupressure point massages. We have previous videos with more information about this that we will link in the description below. Water intake and fiber intake. Make sure they have enough water intake during the day, but do not chug a large amount in a short period. Make sure their diet includes vegetables and fruits. Scheduled toilet time. Try to make them poop at a regular schedule. If you're always rushing in the morning, maybe plan it after returning home from school in the evening. But definitely try to make it around the same time every day. Keep in mind, bowel movements once every 1 to 3 days are considered normal, as long as they are easy and normal stool consistency. When sitting on the toilet, make sure they don't sit there for more than 5 minutes at a time. You may add a small amount of prunes or prune juice to help promote the bowel motility. Expected bowel movement urge might happen around 6 to 8 hours of prune intake. But every individual might be different. You will need to see how long it might take for the prunes to take effect for your child. Being active and moving helps promote bowel movements. Here is a short pooping stimulation exercise I made for my own kid to perform daily to help keep his bowel movement on schedule. Now I'm going to show you the exercises that I created for my kids. You can just follow along. You're going to stretch your arms out to the side. And we'll do the other way. And one more time. Side stretch and side stretch. Now you're just going to shake your booties side to side. And we're going to go forward and backwards. Now you're going to kick your right leg forward and backwards. Swing. And switch. Swing. And you're going to get down on the floor. And shake your booty side to side. Last thing, point your little finger out and just give it a little squeeze and massage those acupressure points. And the other side as well. All right. Hopefully you have given this technique a try and noticed a difference in your child's bowel movements. We love to hear your feedback and comments below. Let us know what you think. Hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more of this kind of videos. And consider hitting the thanks button and leaving a donation. I'm Dr. Huang, and thanks for tuning in.